See, I'm glad that you made it here on this page. It's me, Lamarr Brown, your profit coach, all right? I'm going to teach you exactly the game that you've been left out of all these years, okay? The financial game that take you to that next level. I want you to think about something real quick, you know? Let me give you a perfect example. You remember when we had the Great Recession? Let's look at the Dow Jones alone, right? The Dow Jones dropped down to around about $7,000 from $13,000 in value, right? Okay, so that was in 2008, right? 2008, 2009. Went from 13,000 to around about 7, almost 6,000 in the Dow Jones in value. Okay, so we looking at 10 years later, just about a little bit over 10 years later, we're been up almost at 28, 29,000. It doubled in value. Can you imagine how much money has shifted in that time? My friends, what I'm telling you right now is that COVID-19 pulled back on the evaluation of the market. What do you think it's going to be at 10 years from now? Listen, you got to get in this financial game. I know a lot of people tell you about real estate, but do you really need to get in debt to make money? Do you really need to keep your money in the savings account or a CD account that's going to average you somewhere around about 1% when you can make 1% on your money a day? This is the information when we're talking about wealth creation that you're typically left out of the conversation of. So in this bootcamp training, I'm going to take you step by step, giving you exactly the information you need to be a participant in the financial structure that's running this country, that's running this world. All right. So listen, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to buckle up because I have eliminated every excuse you may have. Okay. It's not about time. It's not about money. It's about your willingness to actually get in the game and learn this information. And I'm telling you, it's not a big learning gap. All right. The way I developed the system was I got you matching colors. I can get a kindergarten and teach them this information and allow them to do what I do. Right? Literally, we're just matching colors. If you can do that, listen here, guys. Listen, you can do this. You can do this. I got rid of every excuse that you can come up with, all right? And you'll find out that actually trading or investing in the market is relative to almost anything that you're doing right now. It's not really that much new than anything that you do in life, okay? Nothing. So listen, guys, I'm looking forward to working with you. Look at all the bonuses that we have for you or joining our boot camp. I'm so engaged in trying to get you to be successful, to be participants in this financial market. But I need you to take that step. I need you to put your name, your phone number, and your email address below. All right? And listen here, guys, it's going to take you to the next page, and I need you to be ready to get this content. All right, get ready to get this content. I'm telling you, this has been life-changing for me and my family, and I know it'll be life-changing for you. All right, guys. Hey, I see you on the other side, and I'll see you at the bank. Bye-bye.